nya. Ubro winjo ka yalo Joshua. Joshua enga mofuo mbe location mapoka dwara nwango. Joshua enga mofuo location no mangema. Koro winjo Joshua gi nyaero. Abiro nu. Kiny nyaka wayalu.
Alright, karibu sana. Mana kaka winjo no endo ma endi longo ne Ombuti the comedian. Kwa wale ambao labda hawaelewi Kijaluo na kuambia kuwa na wakaribisha nyinyi nyote kwa show yetu ya leo inaitwa Super Sato. Leo niko na mcheshi hapa ambaye kwa majina anajulikana kama Ombuti aka the chief.
Jacomo Chode.
Mumbai.
Mbade ma Israel.
Jacomo Chode Mumbai.
Ne Mumbai.
Inga mosedo nyoka chendo hapa runini makiloni chendo ne pile kapile aniluonga ni MC Omari Nash. Omari Nash dhako ngode nigi chake kore kumnyare to podi chwako strong tea kata nyalo denda ni Omari chieno jemono mbele chiene mineno mbele mangidugi yoko mate.
Kao kitu mumbo kuwa. To irio mabe.
Adi mayom.
Mina odi manye wacho ni suchera ati mo Kenya da gono udhi go nadi.
Odi mayom. Gaman.
En mabe
nyo awe ko dio mopi. To be apa ni oduka yodi tere ate odopta odi clinic.
Nyathini mamene mechando gacha.
But ke gwonyo ma kesran mo donjo ni.
Koro nyo uneno mondo tiri hospital jo. Dakteche bobi owuoe.
Nge midusi.
Iro kamano. Anbe antie.
Wakete one more time.
Oh, sawa.
Kani tangi lima. Dona gani giti? To ginati atiga only 5 minutes.
Gaman. En mabe nyo awe ko dio mopi. To hapa ni
nyo en maber nya awe ko dio mopi. To hapa no duogo. Odi tere nyathi hospital odi clinic. Sawa.
Kao kitu mumbo kuwa. To irio mabe.
Adi mayom.
Mina odi manye wacho ni suchera ati mo Kenya da gono udhi go nadi.
Odi mayom. Gaman.
En mabe
nyo awe ko dio mopi. To be hapa ni oduka yodi tere ate odopta odi clinic.
Nyathini mamene mechando gacha.
But ke gwonyo ma kesran mo donjo ni.
Koro nyo uneno mondo tiri hospital jo. Dakteche bobi owuoe.
Nge midusi.
Iro kamano. Anbe antie.
Ujaluo tadua.
Ni kazi ngumu.
Ni kazi hard. Ni difficult.
Alright. Mgeni wangu wako hapa anaitwa Ombuti man aka Chief ama Jacomo Chode. I know this guy. You've been seeing him on TikTok, on social media, Facebook, your status. This guy is full. I know you've never seen him, or no, you've never met him in person, but I know the face. You must have seen the face on your phone, if not physically. So he's here with me. People are telling me, Omari, bring us Ombuti, and today is here. Ombuti.
Yes.
Karibu sana.
Thank you very much.
Karibu sana.
Thank you very much.
Hapa ni one-on-one Super Sato. Every Saturday tuko hapa.
Kizungu bila baga. But mutaelewa.
Sasa Ombuti, acha tu nikuulize. Kwa majina, waitwa nani, watoka wapi? Unajua watu wanakuona tu kwa social media lakini hawajui watoka wapi wewe.
An mokuongo na wuok e polo. Kamo nyuola no nyuola Migori County. Kajo kabodo juola no juola hospital.
Ni wuok e polo.
Da wuok e polo. Cho chwada bane benu ato cho hospital.
Welos ni gigi bagi waket kama pare
nyangi wagio go. Wagio mana gi kamera kwa seketo mbele wata mana chwado weche chwado comedy to weche uru.
To moket ya go wage.
Gig moket go wage. Magita nyalo peje Bernard Dong. Ko da weche gi.
Bernard Dong is a great friend of yours.
Na very Mike Kinyi.
Michael Kenya. So ulikuwa unatuambia eti ni uoke polo.
Na uoke polo.
Your origin is from heaven.
Yes.
Alafu ukazaliwa
Migori County.
Migori County.
Nokonyola sepe onyola dierot. Kureba no nyola dierot. Koro an nyinga mano meya en mungeago masafari ko mungeago.
Yeah.
En Michael Manuel Omondi
Jamigori
Jirado Bado
Sirikal matiyo
matiyo
Ubado sirikal matiyo
sirikal matiyo ma oketo nyakalame dhode kanya manawego dhuget
Inga maneno kajendi wailungo ni OMBUTI the comedian. He has been doing a great job kaje chane no kotimo gige chief kona sombi maten bigo book baba
book to wachwado book ne wachwado to no dwa weya gi class 4 lakini naendelea kode wachwade wakwongo wachwade
isomo primary man
akonjo primary school
primary school
mano Migori kachecha yora pogi kocha
Rapogi.
Yes.
Akonjo primary school.
Akonjo primary school ema.
Jo Akonjo popote ulipo angi alumni kae.
Kabuti ngopel gini.
Opel.
Mago jok manwa somo go.
Heko. Kwa wale ambao walisoma na huyu jambazi.
Kodo bue.
Koro itimo kanyo nyaka class 8.
Na timo kanyo nyaka class 3. Class 4 nachaka biro kone Nairobi ka. Achwade nyaka class 8.
Manyiso ni somo Nairobi
mostly ya somo Nairobi.
Okay.
To ginene high school kachecha achaka dok mana county na adok St Joseph Rapogi.
Itimo Rapogi?
St Joseph Rapogi kaje bano chwadwa ge bases kade. Ya bajapoye. Ndeze uketuji kabukwe.
No to.
No nindo.
Pole.
Koro nasomo Akonjo. Then achaka duga wa somo high school Rapogi Boys.
Rapogi Boys.
Yes.
Okay. Rapogi Boys is a good school, by the way. I know it, and
one of the top schools.
They have been performing so well. Makoponi noketemo maber to kare yene mini fail. Gento getimo maber. I know them.
Comedy gisi school.
Okdonje ka.
Okdonje.
Crime. Koro
no maber.
Amiso chi moro no koda ne ingena setimo interview ne Amiso. It was so interesting. Amiso thwango told me ni en no dhiga school. Kendo kata primary no dhi. Primary school mine no jidene. No dhi kwat. E primary kanyo. Ko tieko kwat makore riembe school omena ka kwae. To dhi secondary.
Odhi kwayo.
Secondary no tere chak. Kech ne gen ga gidho. Amiso gine nyiedho gokinyi to ringo secondary tero chak.
Gokinyi.
Tero chak kono. Igadi
4.
To seko timore maber ni university ne gero tok dalagi. Iluongo ni Rongo University. Amiso dhi university kanyo. Miso the university kanyo gine jok mono gero mijengo. Odhi university. To university no chako dhi, mochako dhi nyaka okalo Maseno University. Kodhi Nyombo, awinjo no Nyombo jagem Ramola. Koro ne chune ni nyaka okal Maseno University. Kodhi Nyombo.
Odongo dhi sikul.
Koro wacho ni sikul odhi.
Odhi sikul.
Koro imbe ichopo university malo.
University nachope. KU
University.
Kod ginene School of Law Karen.
Yeah, School of Law Karen.
Na dheye. To nwadhi go mpira. Kanyi. Nadhi tugore jo School of Law. Dong na chopo. School ona dhe.
Okay, let me ask you. Ewi class 8 no nitie course moro mitimo.
Ewi class
8.
Ewi class 8.
Ewi form 4.
Ewi form 4. Course matimo en course mar miyo jogi nyiero.
Okay.
So I'm a naturally artist.
It is a natural. It is inborn.
Inborn. Agoroga. Madan gigigo. Apani bugego nitie mana round. Ma agoro.
Ang ninyiswa kwa dhi break.
Yes, agoro.
Nitie gik moko misegoro matin.
Masegoro. Agoro nyidende. Jompera to poka kete professionally maje yuaga ni kete professionally but poka kete professionally comedy mora called Barna kodo kae
kodo mineno wuoyo endo mineno ndero wachno endo ingama neno wakache che endo adwa paro ni ma ende kawuono ne wan gi jago moro miluongo ni Ombuti. Ombuti the comedian wayudo rekode ka ende hakoni ni any suggestion migolo, I'll always ensure that atemo matek matimu no kako wacho jino kona ni wadwaro Ombuti omari manyo Ombuti, and so we are here. This is now the 4th TikTok person mamanyo nigikole ni bwana manye ngane ilongo ngane koleta kelo nege
nathima muol to wiye tek bi
akelo negi
kalausi bi chake chwada na
kalausi na kelo negi akelo negi kama mic wako sane koro ine mamaki afwanda kendo an kodi kamarach
wada no manye mugi gore mana goro tangiyo go
koro kata no gine gikeloga options okne tini monyi mugi kwani ine ja TikTok kendo
ubada
how many are you
ko jalo keta mugi ada mi ujero kama tu keta mugi
koro me stochi maten about this TikTok thing. How did it come makoro wangi what is your official name, as you said the other time?
Comedian Ombuti kosu.
Manoto Majonge.
Michael.
How did it come from Michael to Ombuti that we now see?
Okay. Vile likuja nilianza tu TikTok. I tried doing Chief before, but TikTok wako na push. I tried several times, but haiko ina push. So I tried to do some comedies in English, Kiswahili, but but they did not push it. So there was this time nilifanya huyu hii yenye atoti alifanya Ridhi. I did Ridhi twice and ilingiana. So one thing I said now, kama ilingiana na ilini ya Kijaka, so that means nikifanya tena Chief, they will push it. So nilijaribu tu ka video moja nione kama watapu, then they did it. Wali push. So that's when I started doing it slowly by slowly, and watu wakaanza kunifollow. And thank God now watu wengi na nataka tena wengi waendelee kunifollow. Na I try to entertain people.
Now my main question is that before you tried this TikTok thing, there were several things that you could try. You could try going to the clubs to sing, or you also told me that you know how to draw. Maybe you could have specialized in that. But why is it that it came just on this side and you said, okay, this is now the right way to go?
Weba da zida sauti ya kuepa ukaje ndo kwaja uondore so siwezi enda kwa club ndianze kuimba ninalo baya kichupa
but unaweza chora
kuchora naweza
but why is it that uliacha hiyo kando ukakuja tu unajua kuna something that we call inspiration kuna kitu ilikuwa ina kudrive that part ni nini ama labda uliona kwa mwingine?
Yes, I could have done apart from even kuchora. I could have followed career of football.
Oh, you are also a footballer?
Yes, retired. Use that word. They retired.
Why retired now?
Retired because lions don't behave like humans.
Okay. Nitatafakari hiyo.
Okay, I retired because of the injury. Nilipata kwa magoti.
Sorry.
Kwa hiyo ni sanika raja duang.
You don't behave like
Purangwen.
So you Purangwen?
Jigri jopo Purangwen.
I know.
Odong igni apa.
What? Oh, in 30 years now. Okay. Okay. Ngeki wacho jaduong bwana to suchi pod ten bwana.
Nyero ber. Miyo ji nyero ni ber.
But in 30 years,
I'm almost.
Yeah. Oya 40, ubire 30. Sare guru kadazani madanga nini? You are 28. Tiena yeye.
August right. And 28.
Oh.
Yes. I'm
28 now.
I'm 28. This year I'm turning 29.
You are born 90?
I'm born 92.
92.
August 3rd. Edierot.
Mano podi nyate. Now, ngama kawuona kelo ni kawuono ni ende ma ilongo no Ombuti, inyalo penje questions midwaro penje kachacha endo, wayudo stoche matin ni ng'at manene kachacha, wayudo stoche Ombuti, nikech nakono woni ati we want to take this platform very far. And so if you're there, what you can do to Ombuti, go to his YouTube channel and subscribe. You can as well follow if you've not followed, because we have several people that are following you. Now you are at
11.5k. 11.5k.
11.5k. Yeah, 11.5k. TikTok. YouTube
at 328.
328 subscribers. We want to make it over 1,000. Tell them to go there now and subscribe as they
YouTube
watch.
Comedian YouTube Ombuti TV. TikTok Comedian Ombuti. I entertain you. On Facebook Comedian Ombuti. On Instagram Comedian Ombuti. You get entertained.
Just before we go far, let me ask you something. Why is it that the comedians nowadays, or any other person that is opening the YouTube channel, they must put something like TV? Like you get somebody just having maybe 2 subscribers and already the channel is TV. What came to your mind? Why is it that? Because I prefer that if people loves you, like you call yourself Ombuti the comedian, on my side, I believe that you can be brand on your own apart from the TV on my side. Wewe ni nini haswa ilikufanya uweke TV?
Nilikuwa nafikiria niweke radio.
Manilo ngori comedian Ombuti in the house. Comedian Ombuti, are you married?
I'm almost getting married.
You're almost.
But nyadende to anuko. Madam majaber. Jaber bali.
Okay.
And and money if you check social media. Page paparazzi kiklowa.
Yeah, if it could be news, that we could have written that disappointments to the Wafisi, those who are looking forward to meeting Ombuti and maybe getting a proportion or a portion in him. We are very sorry that he's really occupied, and as we talk, the only thing you can do is to like, share, comment, and do any other thing. But apart from, in relationship, go away. Mano chama there is somebody once told me that if you've tried relationship and is not going on, try partnership.
Partnership.
And if partnership is also not partnering,
yes.
Go to worship.
Bas wanyalobedo jo kanisa jo kwaya ber present worship kutaberie
Koro Ombuti nitiere character mikaoga TikTok ilungo ni Chief.
Yes.
How long does that take you to imitate what that person always says? Because your mouth always go with that guy.
It's only take me around in one minute video. It usually take me 10 minutes.
10 minutes
to do that the whole video. If it's 15 seconds video, it only take me around 1 minute to master all those things. I usually don't master them all time and all that, so I just take my phone and nazisikiza tu only once. The second thing ni kuifanya video. It's something like a talent. And by the way, in real life I'm being called Chief. So ukienda ushago kwetu ulize kina Manu ni wapi, hakuna mtu atakwambia
ni Chief.
Yes. Ukienda tu ushago pale akonje wachi ni korgi Chief ni kanye. Echo. Doko ni Manu ndo.
So hii Chief ni the real name. Sio ile ya kujibandika.
It's a real name. It's a real name. No chaka Chief Medega.
Chief Medega.
Na winyo ni Chief no ndalo manu nyuola. En mana achiel kuom jok mane otingo menwa wheelbarrow. Na winyo no chwado ji ka ji ginene ko yudi ki ngato puro to inigo na mbaka. Ichwadi. oro di mana del
Iwe walo.
Ngato puru ini bedo penyi gone mbaka.
Yo digo benimbi konye.
Ino beno imbi konye. Koro no kaka no ginene no nyola. Nan ginene.
Ne chief.
Na chief.
Okay. Koro dala ngeni jibo seneno gige nigi. How do they take it now? As they see you home, your clips is everywhere. Your clips are everywhere. Kila mtu anazieka status, blah blah blah. How do those people from home view it?
What they do?
Do they take it positively or negatively?
Sikujua they knew about it. Till nilifika pale and people are like, I'm seeing someone who look like you. I was seeing someone somewhere, yeah? Mwenye anakaa kama we?
Hii sura ni kama nimeiona mahali.
Mbwe, kila ni simcha. Tangna kijana cha dongo chal kode. Unaona? Kare mana hii. Na paro mana main. So they like it. Majority of them are my fans. The parents, actually, mother, and all these people. Everybody, my sisters, they love it. They like what I do.
Is dad also there?
Who?
Your dad?
No, he's not on TikTok.
No, but is he there? Is he alive?
He's alive
and is getting all these informations. Wodi, blah blah.
Definitely no. He's seeing them on my sister's status. Mara tokonya nen.
Netame.
Okay, te block. Janual nyok berkine no gik mapol. For ene block privacy.
One kumje moko kin. Mondo ko penjo to penj mana jogo. Ino were kodi.
Ko penja. Ngechan an meme king makanga kitu gimoro kajaja. Mago tango mipo. Okadwa ngama penja ni mago.
Ya, weura go ne CBC ero kamano. Sari ka nyathini ochalo ko mbuti, ini nyeoni mana setand gi simu. Odhe mbele. Koro mano chulne fi. Kendo mana rapoki. Kumeji doke preps.
Kamaji doke.
Were you in boarding?
Ane boarding to minwane no kanie chiro kan tok chiro. To kinye wuyo kod. Wuyo kod da.
It's so funny. Koro, iwachuni fathe to kinyan nen oneno kumji.
Oneno kum nyaminu na. To kuoma.
Mai kodi mijatim go live.
Ma koda mara reyo. To ma koda mana wuyo gi Joshua. Akone ni kada onge haraka. Dago yaga dong sani.
To koro okige bisi moditepe achiel kaneno kama. Iteme Joshua. Kata Joshua.
Atime chief gi Joshua.
Chief gi Joshua. Ko yedi. Kada onge gi time. Anda nge giro higo kata koro ire madone teme. Ero. Me wasimu.
Konywa gi simu.
Anone teme kori ber kaki jatime iketo sound do. Koro mai kamera.
Goro ma kamera. Goro daonge garaka. Do ave ngano go ega dong sani. Bebe ni aonge garaka ni ngamu ageto yoga. Kori makona. Goro.
Kori ni yo kamera. Wami kamera.
Bas.
Ageno yoga. Mokwongo sani. Bebe ni aonge garaka ni ngamu ageto yoga. Poda ageno joga. Mokwongo sani dwal no bet beri ywe ng'ane adwa no biogo wangi no konchiel. Ema dwa no gwaga dhung achiel kende okonuo. Tinyien to wangi no dhi dak kodi nade.
Apenji ne jatel. Sama ne lwenye wuoke mane gore thum.
To mo odi we matin. Chief di hit keta dise ebo times to. Nyaki bed rang'ol diriyo nikech awinyo kaka iwuone. Inyalo biro kan go ni dwari sai ni sai ni wengo. Chieng mana manyi kor gwen kadwa mi tich dungane mana manyi imbe ni luonga winjo to oruoth ka podi dhi mbele kaka idhino to wangi konchiel ema biro thuwe kodi to gwaga dhung achiel makata kokalo go bwongo ni giti achiel mano wachni nikech jali nyocho gorawa dhung adi kaka rawo ng'elo
kiwa tem dichiel atem ku
we sani we oseyuagore
ang'o meringo weye lwenyi kana lwenyi wuok thum neno ring nyiso dino no ng'e koso no kia
ne embe chal ni joka no bago wa okine kane
ing'e koch makata ng'ato onge.
Kata ng'ato onge to kule ming'iyo. Ti imeke ni en a real thing.
Gor ing'eyo kodi de bed na onge garaka
de bed na onge
we koro nitie ng'ama kodi ga kamera
nitie ng'ama mako na kamera en dirisa
dirisha mama koni kamera
dirisa chuma ma dirisa kase yienge kama tabedo ga kobe
kise yiengo simone
mano si mara racha
nitie gima ase learn from people ma uno neno iyudo ka ng'ato NMC odwa bedo comedian odwa bedo actress and any other thing iyudo koseyawo WhatsApp group ni so nauru wanyeo kamera and all these celebrities masebedo ka kelo no all of them ineno ka gitiyo mana gi simbegi mondo gibed jok ma uneno kanyogo endo chak gi gima in go no mondo chopie gimidwaro we biro kuom osiepe ni omari sola nyeo kamera kata anatiyo magisimu this thing is my phone is it are you not seeing it it's my phone that I use yeah it's my phone kuri ngesa maini kono ni ananyeo ni kamera and then kata
mama nyoni mami suma kitu ka dik
yeah so jagi gi maino ngato
na kaji nangile keti mane bichi
ngato na wijo ka wacho ya ano anda na chako manake gwena di
to sani an gi supermarket
wedhi mbele gi medo wacho bwana matimo nenda
temnendi
ano anda na chako magi gwena di kawuono aonge gi luoro ka chunge mbele uka ka kono adier manyasaye kata jiranda nyalo ng'e ni gweno na secham
mago the motivation speakers iwijo ka ng'ato be wacho ni kadambe nachako kiwanda mar kabish to bagi gilituri ijoge rwake kata si dwar beti giwe
kamoro mora ne an loje una kana chako loje weche kuma gichiega jeri moro nje gichiega to timitime maricho twako dust enukinyi mata nyuma gichiega kanyo twako dust Masa ni tindi pong mara. Zani pong ma ko polino bire loje mara. Ibu. Opong. An koro gima koro miyo loje grane yoga. Mami koro do na mu. Uwi. Nduru. Nige kata wan mono zigi chiega. No ko.
Nulenga. Otanda be pok no ketho.
Omiyo.
Matindo tanda ywak.
Pinyo kesore. Magi mayom minigo magiringo. Tinigo gi nyundo. Gima yom. Yoba gima yom.
Tinigo magi nyundo.
Igo gi nyundo.
Tinigo gino bedo bag.
Obedo bag.
Gimos mal.
Odongo gi nyambete moketho.
Odongo ketho gigi.
Odongo gi nyambete oketho gigi.
Odongo gigi gi nyundo.
Omiyo koro sani. Inidhi. Ni atidwa go kata gilweti ni dwa pamo ne onga gima ng'ato winjo wache ni umeri gini onge gima timo kare dwa janyundo
kare janyunde medwar
giri uketho
giri kache gwen giringo ringo gi nyundo ang ni pi
koro ere kaka ing'ega giri chief moronyo manyien nikech ok igol ga clip achiel mar chief igolo episode
first thing chief enosiepna
ing'e chief ma chief in gi namba ne
wawuoyo ka
ang wawuoyo to kamera
koro en aware makodwan mondo atim anything to kuna and there is a new thing we update
ma chief onge maber ni timo ga voice over
ong'eyo kendo kiyudo ka ng'ato temo wuoyo marach e comment to jaduoko ga jaduoko ga wacho ni an ok complaint an maber ka complaint tini complaint nango litini gango pilipili usioila ya kuwasia nini
pilipili usiowasha inakuelea nini pilipili usiowasha inakuelea nini
pilipili boke chabo lungi gango
tumalungi no to inde chamo
na anyalo paro chon na muonyo ga pilipili apilo mangili ne dio thiyo na iya koro seche ma dicho ok wuogi amayu akayo koro piwange machwe
igeri iwacho jok ma are negative mo paro na story mo ma in fact it is directing me to the next question that I wanted to ask you to ambende ng'at chieng moro na golo nia ne ing'ama wuoyi or ne ng'ato fea iwinjo nikech ka Yesu nitie nen mana wacho niya ne ingama wuoyi mi nyako pesa iwinjo inde be ni mit mane mokinya oro ni nyako pesa ka yes ka wach Nyasaye mamit to jiringo weyo dhi Illuminati nikech pesa into ang'o muni miyo nyako pesa wach Nyasaye inde be mamit molo wach Nyasaye koro jiudhi wacho ni mwagine mit ma ji share jomoko nyiero ng'ato ndiko kanyo ne neno wanda ywa jokes are dry goro ang'eya to goro
jogo nitie kanyo
chwe mang'e nitie moro ma wacho niya yawa an nyaka ne nyuola ayie maber ni kare pesa oluoro koko nikech nyaka ne nyuola pok aneno jaro matie bank
nitie
podi
isenan
pok aneno jaro matie bank
jaro ma mosiepna matiyo kama pesa okwane pesa maber otiye na kony emotiye booking office kula at least oyude to ni bun e bank kure
kaka na wacho gino o ma Jose omera yere o mari nikech ng'eni wambe gik ma wacho gi we are not that serious
okwan serious iwinjo okwan serious koro kiwacho ni koro in kikawe ni in serious in ibiro hinyore kedi
kuri ma kike yo gekia gimakitimo moro mana wacho mugi kendo ma be ayudo ka macha to ne jigo comment ma negative mang'eny ni isungori kanyo to chori ya magonga kuma chori ya kanyamwa kar mondo ka upatik ibug dhoru mondo kopo ni koth biro to okenyon chuodho in isungori umana winjo mani kendo yuro kifu I'm unfollowing you immediately.
Ngama mejenga mali.
Yeah. Samari yuro kada kawaje dia.
Ngama gwal.
Ako jogo nyiri niya. Ne ngama nyako. We baru wijini ati ingama miyo ti baru nyiri ni ati ni katedo tek. Ipano bo yuro jauma bei maido. Ipano de yuro jande wa majajuo.
Kwanza jajuok ber kwa wakoni niki.
Kosipani de yuro jauma bei makeki swing. Ipani de yuro jasia mame.
Onge.
Ha? Onge. Ingini sama wacho kamano katan angin mbere umabi ivijo koro idhi yuro ka ngato kach idhi yuro ka ngato kach malich mania mana biwo ni jomo be nangono amba jaw mabe ang'eyo
koro chieng moro natimo gine natimo watch net chief miyo ma jok malando net kod chaka dua timo kendo dhako malando ya achal mang'emo dagiese dala gima makata kanisa onge koro iro ng'ato kuna ni am a racist and racist okaero jok marotenge
nikech kore lad wadwa ni jogi ong'e maber niya what we do wabedo ga makwa gine wabedo ga makwa timang'o in fact we just act we are not all that serious we are acting
and gima acting ogine ne and gima ormo ken serious
one live TikTok kachacha endo emwang'io ka ende waneno ka ji osedonjo ka serious ingama ni TikTok you can as well give us your comments we shall be reading manga ilongo ne mangawa ma ilongo ne
Maro anyathi majaber malit
Maro is there. Hey, cameraman
be wan go chien ka.
Cameraman team no
onyalo mako wa. To ere ko nyalo switch camera ni.
We flip the camera. So fanya hivi.
Bas kuri kete kamano.
Yeah.
Yes, right. So one live be.
Yeah.
Tukabe one interview.
Mana kaki winyo no endo ngata mono watch kachacha endo kata mapodu watch angini pokigine you can share this thing and you've heard from OMBUTI that he's just a comedian as we talk. Do not hold or do not take it serious when you get something. When we talk about the Share people, it doesn't mean that we don't love you. We love you people. And when we talk of maybe women kata jumamine jumachuo, we don't have any notion or bad feeling waero utejo dalawa it is just comedy kawuono ka timo mar mine kinya timo mar joma nyako and jinyero that's the way to go.
That's our aim.
That's the way to go.
Yeah
miwagi nene miwa simu machielo ni wasom go comments wasom go comments aha Mungu jaluo number 1 osedonjo kaje wacho ni
number 1
punguza dual
mano Joshua upunguza dual Joshua ngamara dia wa Joshua ngamara balla Joshua Joshua kodi keep the comments coming
maro wacho kaje chania maro wacho ni love this
I love this
ingama kiaya aniluonga ne ja cameraman Chorika mondo koro igine mondo koro obed sitrate do toki badine no kore bas ingama neno wakaje ingama watch live ni endi an gi nyenga iluongo ni MC Marinash da kongo de ni gichake kore kubni ariyo to pori chwako strong tea inyalo denda ni umari chieno jemo ne mbele wan chiene mwaneno to mbele mwadugwa yoko pori nyalo magweyo kore no mari dako oyerudho sovria ge stelwaya to tingwa ngoa no dako oyerudho sovria gi kuoyo bede stelwaya kata dako nyalo oye chwako manya
Obedi Oganda.
Margo nyinga nate ilungu ni MC Marinash imbe watch mari.
Ani lunga ni Komedian OMBUTI Jakomo Chode Badema Israel.
Komedian OMBUTI
Jakomo Chode
Badema Israel.
Japielo kiawade. Opiele bungu. Japiele bungu kiawade. Opiele bungu to osipne kalo to konya katafuane.
Alright, kama neno wakaje chendo more kabisa. What you can do, go to our YouTube channels. I'm called MC Marinash, search there. OMBUTI TV.
Yes.
We inyalo miyo wa comments gik motimo marach mokidwa. We say that our fans are always our kings. We are loyal and we value your feedback.
By the way, kwa wenye wanasema I love the way you reply to our comment. I really reply. Hello. Maratari. Mano gibokwongo. Giera mugundo. Era mananya sayo wenwa.
Aneno kaka to koro makare. Mailuongo ni viwan.
Habari zenu.
Towajori habari zenu.
Habari zetu
tuko salama salimini.
Leo Dok mane wacho ni chief kia Kiswahili. Dongo neno ka chief wacho Kiswahili.
We waka ukitaka beach kwa wacho Kiswahili mondenewa.
Wakonu.
Wacho Kiswahili. Wacho
Tata bibi niko hapa interview. Leo Baratari. Aja hii jana kudusade. Sasa kudusade. Kiswahili ninajua. Ni vile tu sitaki kuongea. Kiswahili sanifu. Mombasa ngine nadaki. Mombasa niliishi Mombasa pale Magonga. Magonga.
Adwa kuni Kiswahili mara. Tio kuru ineno hayo. Wachini ya. Nilichanganyikiwa falau paka lewa tu pilipili machoni kwa kuwa niliangalia kaskazini, kusini, mashariki na hata pia magharibi bila kujua la kufanya, la kupigwa na butwa kiasi cha kinywa changu kwa wazi mfano wa herufi O. Chwade
nini poa mnoka timu siku
maana kupoa mbaya
lakini
aya anenoka Esther wachoka chani hello Esther we appreciate so much omwami wacho ni baby na
omwameri mangino sipngane
ngawa
ose Veronica Salt manya minige from another mother ogiwere nagisomo Mombasa gisomo Eldoret tani gitiyo in Nairobi jogi ogwere acha kaneno ngato kacha wacho ni otek matin kasto kendra wacho ni walo sana baratari inyalo penjo OMBUTI gimidwa penje kacha endo aniluonga ni MC Marinash and kwa wale ambao wako TikTok nawaambia kuwa tuko YouTube at MC Marinash at OMBUTI TV. Go there, subscribe, you promote, you promote us, today. Keep your question coming. If you have anything to ask me personally, kindly do so. Yes,
we are here to ask. We are here to answer.
Yes. If you have any question, to add a question, do a
basi nkuru ne podwa dhi kodi mbele.
Yes.
Ni gige ni gisebedo ketemo ga donge kendo kaneno ka you have a very active people man neno ka chacha owacho omwameri wacho ka chacha ni ahero apenje OMBUTI ka en gi ngato yawa nwase duoko bat koro donjo koro duoka
madam nitie Mwameri do ngingeyo. Wandi do ngingeyo. Nyoro do na kodi wechenge. Wechenge mwameri do na kodi. Madam nitie.
Kendra wacheni niko na video zenu mingi sana.
Tunashukuru.
Nazipenda.
Yes, tutaweka zingine leo.
Kendra.
Kesho kutwa.
Koro Lady D tu kusoma. Lady D all the way from Europe. Ai! Lady D!
Ina nambalo.
Koro kwa huogi. Ai!
Europe.
Lady D from Europe. Lady D karibu sana.
Karibu sana. You are welcome. You're from
welcome.
Europe. Where are you in Europe? Because I lived in Europe. Ginene ukifika pale Europe chanikanye. America do ni Europe. Ginene Brazil.
Europe. Iweyo okwampa.
Malaysia Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Bas.
Kuri rido rigi yo madi Oxford.
Bas building mar ngane ka chunglingti. Mar ngane mar jo China ja chunglingti cha.
You guys are amazing.
Oh, thank you so much.
Lady D anasema Germany. Postdam Kingi Omera. Postdam Kakingi.
Oh, Germany, Postdam Kakingi. Ina no koro Germany kanyo. Postdam Kakingi. Kilo lore airport kachacha. Iwinjo. Building mar muindi mane bath airport cha. Idonjo iwe weri gine madhe werigi wanga yo madhe Tokyo. Koro iweri go iluo wanga yo mocho ochimo ginene kachacha ochimo Jamaica. Tidonjo gi wanga yo ma donjo gi ginene gi Malaysia ka.
Baba uyese de moraj nge kamera nge koro kamera mar YouTube we mar TikTok koro nge mar All right, my inano wakanyo endo mailungo ne Ombuti the comedian. Wabiro kachacha endo shortly after the break. We are coming shortly after the break. What the mana break a YouTube, TikTok podwanti.
One you no break a YouTube.
A YouTube.
One you ni
TikTok to podwanti.
Okay to and break. TikTok podwanti.
TikTok
podwanti. TikTok to ade question.
All right. Tuko break. Alright, karibu sana. Tumerudi, tumetoka break. Na kwa wale ambao walikuwa wanatuwatch huku YouTube tumesema poleni sana. Tulikuwa break kidogo. Lakini pito poko mudu kwa joge dia ke TikTok to neno.
TikTok neno.
TikTok neno gimwa wacho mbe. Ombuti. Neni tiere gik moko mona penje kasto kamne poko die break makasto wachako the TikTok live. Na penje niya. Challenges mage mineno ma jo TikTok, jo Facebook, jo Instagram, jo YouTube neni toge kia gik moko mikale. Okikonwa shite moko mabesa moro ineno sama iloso gigeni.
First challenge and time. Mar korka kora.
It is so consuming.
It's attain, but I have to entertain these people.
You don't have time.
I don't have time. A lot of time I'm usually busy.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I love my fans.
Yes.
Every day I want them to laugh. And I make sure that they vinyero. Bas. Koro wacha kisungu matini.
Yes.
Koro ka doke kisungu. Miyo jogi nyero.
Mano kisungu baba.
Kisungu yedi tek. Kisungu to tek.
Takiwa jireti.
Kisungu to attack.
Wawa wachi gigiri wetu. Iyo jogi jere.
Koro. Okay, it has been a challenge. First of all, challenge time. Second of all, another challenge inakujia kwamba maybe I'm usually having Wi-Fi. So unapata nimerudi home, nimepata Wi-Fi labda iko na tatanishi. Magegi molo sikilwetano.
Awenje.
Yes. So those are the few challenges that I'm getting. But apart from that, pokaneno challenge. Challenge machielo on TikTok or push videos sometimes you have to repost them.
Nitie samoro iketo
kikete gokinya inya because a lot of time I do it in the morning before niende kazi. So kikete gokinya inya they don't push it. But you have to change it.
Awinji. Okay. Koro in gime yuago maduong' ahinya ma winjo kiwacho, but nitiere jok moko mwawacho ni they are always negative. We had started talking about them. Iyudo ka ja TikTok wacho ni bwana rizamo ne joma nyiri, bwana ihero joma kia ni bla bla, bwana. Is it not a challenge to you? Is it not discouraging you at some point?
First thing, I'm a very don't care. I don't care. What you think doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you are one against 11,000 people. You know, if you don't like the content I'm doing, just do it this easy and follow. No. Aina haja ukuje utusi mtu kwa comment bure.
Is that not being an awkward comedian?
No, no. Like if you don't like someone's content,
they say that fans are always right.
Yes.
So you know when you tell them that fans. Your fans are always right.
Yes, they are always right.
You as an artist, your fans are right. Whether they say what or they say what. On my side, not you. That is why I'm asking.
Usually they are right. I usually go with what they want.
But at a given point.
At a given point, kuna watu wanaweza kufikaga. Na feel kama ngonga. Iwinde. Onyala wacho gimoro ngato yanyibe. Iwe ngani yanya nanga.
Ketnwa we will.
Ngato yanyona. Ngani yanyona. Ngani yanyana.
So what is the best advice you can give?
The best advice ni if you don't like someone content, aina haja mtukane. Naona. You doka ngato yanyo people like Umwameri. Yanyo someone like Veronica. But these people just doing music. Why are you even abusing them? What I'm doing is comedy. I'm in Yero. Why are you abusing them? If you don't like it, skip it.
Ngato sego moso wachoni ago mosi yawa.
Ago mos manonga.
Ngano mai wachoni
yan koso one.
Yan for 1 wachoni yawa.
For 1
Ogolazo wachoni mari umoke. Wanoli alga mara.
Wasemoke.
Sanoli alga mara.
Only alga mara. Kendo wadi maraji.
And as I told you, wani makoro wa take over.
Igani wa take over.
When you know there is a certain say that goes that we are the young suckers that will replace the old banana. Yeah. Koro zaninya kwa bimaraj. To kwa bimaraj kaendwa unemanya kusupportwa. You people have to support us.
You have to.
Is it?
By subscribing, by liking, by sharing, by following.
Hey, mawoyo kodi ni ende mailungo ni MC Umari Nazda kongori ni kichake kore kubni ario porichu wako strong tea. Umari chieno jamone mbele chiene mwangiyo mbele mwayoko. In
comedian ombote jakomo chode japielo kia osiepne opiele bunguto osiepne kalo to leng mana kod okimose.
Okay, advice mwami oga nyithindo machuo pile ene kangato sewe ito ekazuri ni ati I gave that person ne nyakono waya to I gave her the whole world. The whole world kai ni mapokitie ko gata Nairobi phone
okala Nairobi word maru otamitie ko
world to ni golo
kaji
to mena no wacho nyakono na miyo piny mangima en Gilbis
ko kata Gilbis ko nyagi
japuonju mar geography no ir abije
ni ngato gine ne nyako guarana Odo lando ni na spoil nyako no na spoil giringo mar gine ne mar 200 na spoil
Teridora wacho ga seria abiro subscribe
chwade subscribe okara ni bi desane subscribe MC Umari Nash
but yeah, subscribe to MC Umari Nash pia
comedian ombuti
every Saturday tuko live na MC Umari Nash. Leo tuko super Sato.
Yes.
Kuna some of the benefits misa yudo I feel ni endinya kanyuchi chake.
Some of the benefits the best benefit I meet some people which I'm their fan.
You are their fan because
I'm their number 1 fan first of all. I meet people like you. People like
I'm the fan na. Hey. Yeah, well, let me put it right. Ya baromo ke fan na yawa. Angi kamera ne.
Kata macha.
Wane kambeje. Bwana wambo wade marajo mera. We inya chukua kamera uchielo. Wange ma.
Kuswangi macha.
Comment wasomo.
Wasomo nya comment tu.
Comment wasomo ka.
Keep those questions coming.
Could
you anything?
Toti nyako letter kwa hapa.
Ujinga for
nyero.
Ujinga for nyero da toti nyako letter.
Ujinga for nyero.
Yawa ino kina.
Mane lungo dia toti nyako letter which meiti mamedo mere makengiyo ni ai adena ko.
Nyati basuko tondo.
Nyati basuko tondo watch.
To zuko tondo watch. Oko gagi mauro tondo watch. Nano nyati ma unique in ataoni. En ngamo kinyapango ene mopangi.
Kwa mi jogi namba wago simu.
Unyalo go simu. Wami unamba wa?
Wami gi mako soma.
Ma tiyo.
Matiyo. Kwa mi gi ma.
Tiyo. Koro wami gi ma. Koro ma today udu nyalo miyo wa. Iri kaka won ma konywa gi namba.
Mi wana simu. Adwa ni jogi koro go aga live mondo penji. 07 29 ndeka namba 0729 95
10
kenda adwa pin go ka 07 29 95
Omwameri watino subscribe
73
Omwameri baby girl
confirm name wasichake chaka mana
kakije network neni problem koro waduogo
wadwa se biro ka
koro nyalo go simu
udhi kanya ya watuko mana toti nyako leta
toti nyako leta nitie
namba wasichiwo
namba
wawacho ni 07 29 95 10 73
wache chaka nuwe gidholuo
07
nona berio
29
ochiko ario chiko
95
oporo chiko gadi gabich
10
apar
73 Maro aneno ka chako osegini osekete kache cha.
Koro nyalo gocho. To wawinji. To ji winji. To wago mbaka.
Koro ni wacho ni benefits mise yudo. En romo
gi koleta gini.
Romo gi ngama chalo ka koleta.
Omwameri gini.
Veronica.
Maro.
Nyakomari.
Mago
some of the benefits. Koro kona niya in geno ni maduong ge gini hindi. Eni pango kode nango.
Apango difa. First thing apango difa kode. I want to go as far as possible. Koleti winjo kabuna wacho kisungu.
You want to go as far as possible?
Yes, I want to go as far as possible. And in the next 1 month, I'm expecting to be at least 50,000 followers.
And how do you people reach the blue ticking?
I've never focused on that. I usually focused on my content. Koro blue tick doesn't matter to me. If they will give me watanipea.
Mwameri wacho kachani we will subscribe to both of your accounts. Both if you are amazing Luo Podpek. Neno kacha toti nyako leta wacho kachani Luo ni ujinga for mogo.
Ujinga for mogo all time.
Then Teridora wacho kachani separate odonkore.
Separate faya ni ungego. Mawago Kisumu.
Network mare marach koso waseduogo. Ulal kendo udhi kanyawa utimuru manade gi network
wawinji.
Make sure you talk to Omari about ile story. Tulishaongea
mago gimana wasitieko.
Tulishaongea
kitambo.
Tunasema kuwa there is something big that is coming. We are telling you that there is something big that is coming. And we've said that Atoti Nyakoleta will be featuring at this Jojo. Baba Mona. Kalausi. Soro. MC Omari Nash.
MC Ombuti.
Finally Ombuti. Yeah, Ombuti the comedian.
Chief Mari Gurubuno.
Chief.
Yes.
And some others.
Mabiro donja.
Atoti Nyakoleta kaje chapa oro lwero pamo.
Atoti pamo. Koro.
Gigie. mag miloso gende be gisebedo makoro ginyalo kelo ni chiemo mesa. Are you is the comedy paying you as we talk?
Okopei na waje no pay but I see event masadhe and catch of this mostly luonga gi company Marena Coach man there last weekend.
Yes.
To kendo nekicha gi kona ni tarik 20 beach mabe mananga dhi life sadek adhirwa ko ji wadhi children's home Oma Bay kendo arwako ji kopo ni ngi lao mokitigo kama uko na ngwenyu tumi tafadhali tuende upereke children's home Oma Bay. You can choose to go and take them personally, or you can send them through a coach parcel na zitafika bure. Na kama uko na kama ni pesa unataka kudonate, they have their pay bill. I'll explain everything
wakati utakuwa live
siku. Yes.
All right. Here with me is comedian OMBUTI. A real guy, a very handsome guy. For those people who are thinking that it's only on social media, now see, I have him here and the guy is so amazing. Yeah. We can as well describe this guy to be bare offline and online.
Aye.
Ise winjo jok moko wacho ni ati ber de giduogo cha. Koro in wanyalo wacho ni
mano ka swita no winjo. Aye. Ang no pa kaka wuono.
Okay. Aneno ka chendo ka sama wangwa kendo chal ka gima koro. I think TikTok TikTok builds a name first, then God willing Mungu anakufungia jina. Atoti kwane live mondo donjika. Mondo accept.
Kwa request. Atoti kwa request because you can't be here today.
Request ane mondo watangi nejo penyo. Meanwhile ngama pod winjo wa inyalo gocho. Unyalo gocho na namba mano ndek kanyo no endo. In fact podo kwanya podo wanya manua 07
29 95 10 73.
Yes.
Kuru nyalo gochonwa.
Ngato owachonia first social media inajenga jina. Na kisha baadaye ukishajenga jina ndo ubaya ni kuwa kuna wengine ambao wanaanza tu wakati wamejenga jina.
Jomoko kosa jenga jina. Yudoka isejenga jina but you don't have content to continue. Kisejenga jina. Take it from there.
Lady D anasema pale we can also gift you guys here. Yes!
Gift.
If it is a matter of gifting, gift us. If you want to gift us, kindly gift us. We deserve it. Yes. I don't know guys, you said 2K likes.
2K likes.
Yeah.
Keep on liking.
This is so
Keep
willing.
on tapping your screen.
I tell you, watch on the Lerumari.
Oh, Lerumari.
Lerumari.
Oh, Marilyn.
Hey.
Kawuono.
All right.
Acha kanuonu. Tarik apaga ngwen.
Yes.
Sing Valentine Day.
Yeah.
Kisumu. Amadhi kucho?
Kafredija Kadongo. One Quorum Club Kondele.
Quorum Club.
Tarik apaga ngwen. February.
Kondele.
Ubura
neno comedian OMBUTI.
Hivi neno kwa mzimari na
Omari
ni kichaka kore kubira leo. Ilungu ni koleta. Wichimayiti mamero meleo.
Bas.
Omera. Ni weekend chopo na rana dhia tini. Koro ane Fredija Kadongo. Iwinjo. Koro in
Angeta.
In geta. Klondeng. Oh weekend chopo na rana dhia tini.
Klondeng.
Ni weekend chopo na rana dhia tini.
Klondeng.
Yona viambo nyathini
Koleta dibe do bull.
Nyathiga viambo nyathini moraga mama.
Wadhi mielo.
Mama yo. Fredija Kadongo pale Quorum Club. Tarik apaga ngwen. Ching Valentine.
Ching no eating mana boyfriend ni kata girlfriend ni. Bas mwe tupatane huko.
Already did though amjaona. Mano Lady D.
Tumeona Lady D. Lady D, thank you so much.
Gift.
Lady D. Thank you very much for the gift.
To give waje
Gift. Would I live one? Give. Sasa tuda withdraw aje. How will I hear ting on my pesa?
I know. I will watch it. Man, Nilungo no Ombuti comedian. What you can do to this guy is go there on his YouTube channel. Mondegine. What the Kisumu to Pokinyisa? Manonga nene mapenjo kaisha.
Mano koleta.
Yeah, Ombuti kawuono ineno kang'at manendo.
Amer.
Kasto
Amada ndiwo.
Even ndiwo. Inga maneno wakachaendo, we really value your feedback. Inyalo kono wakakwade, share this video and we do a lot. Ombuti ni kwa miele matin bwana. Wakungo take show mari YouTube ne. Wadongi jogi. What is your suggestion?
My suggestion and bad.
Don't take mano. Inga maneno wakachaendo, we are so very happy. Ni winjo story mara Ombuti comedian. Next time tell us the person that you want there and we shall bring. Today we say we value your feedback still. That is what we say, because if you comment, we know what to do, why to do it, when to do it, and who to do it for. We are very ready to do what you people want. Okay. Baby, you can catch what you say.
Agini berry.
Raj. Every
Saturday, Super Saturday. Ibiro yudonga midwaro kendo kidwaro ukitaka mutu on Saturday. Una comment hapo below na
Omari
ataona hapo chini na atakutafutia huyo jamaa.
Omari anasema pale, Omari is nice meeting you more. Podi.
Omari, you have not met him.
Mapodi na bwana,
to meet him. You need to meet him. You need to meet him. You have not met him.
You need to meet me.
You need to meet me.
Oh, inga maneno ya TikTok acha watu wacho ati support me every Saturday niko live kwa YouTube.
Yeah, every Saturday.
Yeah.
Leo kawuono
Super
Sato.
Kawuono dhibedo kacha cha jadolo iluongo kacha ne Pastor Gorongaro. Isaiah.
Yes.
Mara
Israel.
But ministry. Koro inga maneno TikTok. Dia YouTube.
Go to your
YouTube channel. Manye msumari nayo.
Tafuta msumari nayo.
Get reminder makaro marume sadek ni top.
Put your reminder ikifika tu sadek pap
wachako
tumeanza.
Yes. Meanwhile we value you so much, and we always appreciate your support
and we value your feedback.
Kizunga chiel mako to
ino ayo mano ma Mr. Nyore no nupuonja.
Koro gimwati moreka echa endo wachako romuru kendo next Saturday the same place same time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ombuti okiwuok kata gijogi kon gigi mora chiel kende kapok otiko show.
Kibako Joshua. Kikichwanya. Ubro winjo kayalo Joshua enga mofuombe i location mapok adwara nwango. Joshua enga mofuo e location no mangema. Koro winjo Joshua gi nyahero. Abiro nu. Kiny nyaka wayalu. Erokamano.
Aye. Warom kendo next time, mae ndilungo ni MC Marinash, dhako ngode nige chake kore 12 to podi chwako strong tea. Umari cheno je mbele chene mwaneno, mbele moyoko. We value you so much. Next time, let's meet and tell us the person that you want us to bring to this platform. Let us meet the same place, same time, same person.
Wadong kodi.